Yung magkaroon ka ng sarili mong place, it's, for me, it was a dream lang before and turning into reality. So, napakasaya nung feeling na yun. I'm Esh. I'm 31 years old and I work as an IT professional. I live here in Verde Spatial Commonwealth. One of the reasons why I chose Verde Spatial is because of the proximity to our family house. Yeah, I looked at other developers, but I found Verde Spatial as one of the affordable, and it feels private, and then the air is fresh. I don't know where that came from. You can also hear many birds singing amid the busy road of Commonwealth area. Surprisingly, when you're inside the amenity and when I'm inside here, even in my unit, I still feel the nature. I actually used to live in my parents' house. I even sleep in the couch. Don't get me wrong, I was comfortable. When I got this place, I finally realized, ay ganito pala yung upgrade to the quality of life na having your own place can bring you. Kasi, syempre, you got to learn living by yourself. Tapos, you got to realize ano ba talaga yung kaya kong gawin within my own. And syempre, yung sense of fulfillment. Ayun nga, before it was a dream to have my own place. And now, it's turning into a reality. It's actually materializing. Of course, with my hard-earned money, the quality of life, especially as wonderful as this, is so amazing. Masaya ako sa Verde Spatial kasi given that I'm a work-from-home individual, masabi ko na well enough yung comfortability and convenience na napoprovide nito with me working as a work-from-home. I guess I also want to say to Philinvestland that thank you for being part of fulfilling that dream.